Hey guys, so welcome back. We're going to be automating Target's login page. So what the test is going to do is it's going to come in, go to account, it's going to click this sign in or create account. It's going to wait for the username field. It's going to enter some text into the username and it's going to click the continue button. Now after that, we are going to assert that we found this error message because that would prove that we've successfully clicked the button because it only appears if you click the button. So okay, let's run through the code really quickly. So let's go to our page. And so we have our basic layout here. So let me just zoom out so you can see the whole class. And then I'll zoom in a lot, not too much. So okay, we have our username, the login button, the continue by button. So the continue button there. We also have the account sign in button, and then the red button of sign in or create an account. And finally, we have our error message. So this error message here, you guys are on your cell phones as well. So this error message right here, please enter valid email or phone number. Okay. So then we have our methods. We have our login method, which waits for the account sign in button. It waits for it clicks the sign in or create an account button, clicks that as well. And then we're going to be waiting for the page to load. So we wait for the username input by to appear. And then we send our username from this method here is one of the arguments. And after we send our username, we click the continue button. Now finally, to assert that we've completed all these actions, we have a Boolean down here that will wait for the expected error message. And it's going to return whether or not it's displayed, so true or false, hence the type of bool. Okay? So finally, we have to add our test, which, let me go to our test. So let me just zoom out, show you the whole of the test. And so we've added our target login page because we named our class. We have our setup. We have the driver. And this is just we don't need this. This is just a example. But this is the actual instance of the object that we need that references this class, this target login page. So I'm switching back and forth, but let's go back to the test. And guys, this is the first video since changing the URL. So this takes you to the same break into tech, but now it's your tech step. It's, consistent. So that's the change here. So going forward, it's always going to be this URL here. You guys should check it out. We go into a lot more detail about these automation tactics. So, but okay. So we have our target login URL. So this navigation is going to take us to the target login page. We are going to enter what our username is going to be. I just use username. You guys can use whatever you need to. And then it's going to invoke our login method. And finally, we have our assertion to prove that our login was successful or our attempt was successful. And that's going to look for the expected error message. So you guys want to do this for after you log in, you want to pick an element that only appears after the login is successful. And finally, I just have this sleep here. This is just for us, the viewers, to see what's going on because it does happen really quickly. Okay, so with that, let's go ahead and run the test. So I'll right click and we will run the test. Okay, finds our account, clicks the sign in button, enters the username, and now the test is complete. All right. Dismiss that. But all right, guys, thank you for joining. I'll see you in the next one. And guys, if you've been following around, this video is shorter. So let me know in the comments if you like this shorter style or if you want me to do it in real time like I've been doing. So it actually took me longer than 5 minutes to do this. It usually takes like 10 to 30 minutes depending on any weirdness that I may run into. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.